Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In videos like this one, when we take a look at an old camera, we briefly look at that camera and then we look at some photos I shot with that camera. So right now I have a YASHICA Electro 35. It's a 35mm film camera. This one has almost all your functions on the top of the lens itself. You do have an ASA setting on the body, but on the top of the camera you have a bulb, a flash, and an automatic setting. And then you have your aperture and shutter controls are right there. I did have an issue finding a battery for this. I don't think the batteries for this camera are made anymore. I'll put a couple links in the video to the things I found. One of them was an adapter, and then the other option that I ended up buying was somebody basically took a bunch of small batteries and wrapped them up, shrink wrapped them, and that worked fine. Saw a lot of other videos about this camera online, people having connection issues with the battery, but what I did, and several other people had to do this, is take some tin foil, put it on the bottom as you close the cover, and that helped make the connection for the battery. Okay, now we're going to look at some photos I shot with the YASHICA Electro 35.